Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the dish has a clear line of sight, and note that most systems accept roughly a 1 to 3 degree aiming tolerance. Next, inspect the cokes and F connectors. Replace corroded parts with RG6 solid copper cable to reduce loss. Once done, power cycle the receiver and open the onboard signal meter. Record baseline SNR and signal strength so you have numbers to compare after every change. Now focus on alignment and components. Loosen the mount just enough to nudge the dish, then make fine azimuth and elevation adjustments while watching the SNR, small 0. 1 degree moves matter. Check the LNB skew and swap in a known good LNB to determine whether the head end is failing. Also measure cable loss. If splitters or long runs induce more than about 3 dB loss, replace them or run a single high-quality cable to preserve signal integrity. Finish by tightening the mount and securing all hardware, then recheck the signal during typical weather to ensure stability. Once tightened, run receiver diagnostics and perform a transponder rescan. Make sure the SNR is stable and the receiver shows a lock. If you still lack a reliable lock, move the meter to the LNB output to isolate feedline versus electronics and try a temporary replacement dish or LNB. If that fails, call a trained technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.